2 cents worth of financial thoughts. Your 2 cents worth of your financial thoughts or on your financial thoughts. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1556 of What You Up To Now. Just documenting the business journey primarily from the offline world and corporate America to the online world. What I'm doing, what's working, what's not. The good, the bad, and the ugly now of both online and offline businesses. So today for Supersize Your Business, our idiom, our expression was 2 cents worth. And it, of course, comes from the British 2 pence or tuppence back in the days when that's what things actually cost. Think of the dollar store today, right? Or the of recent history where everything in there costs $1. Well, a lot of things you can get for $1. A lot of things you used to be able to get for 2 pence or a tuppence. Now, in the late 1800s, it's been used in America, but it wasn't until the 1920s that it started to mean unsolicited opinion, meaning, I'm going to give you my 2 cents worth on this. And it wasn't usually asked for somebody's 2 cents. You didn't really care. And their opinion was worth about as much as 2 cents could buy you in the 1920s. So that was our idiom, our expression today. And I tied that to what does that mean as we supersize and grow our business? And I talked about the value of opinions, the value of advice we get, who we get advice from, and then also the importance of giving value first before we expect to grow and supersize our business, and being generous with our knowledge, our wisdom, our experiences, and our advice, because what we put out into the world is what we get back. Our annual challenge today, the BU 365-day challenge, do one thing every day that improves us. We're focusing on financial for the month of May, and money May, and the financial aspects and areas of our life. And today, our topic was financial thought. And we are brainstorming a list. I already started my list of all of the thoughts and things that come up for us, or that we overhear, or that we hear in conversations with other people that have anything to do with money, jobs, work, income, multiple streams of income, cost of things, scarcity, lack, abundance, anything to do with our financial thoughts and money. And we're doing that because we're going to do a couple of different things with that list throughout the month that I think will prove to be really, really valuable. It's an exercise I personally don't do often enough for uncovering thoughts and beliefs and things that I have on a subconscious level that I'm not really aware of on a conscious level. And the only way we can deal with something that isn't working for us, or it's causing us conflicts or challenges in our life, is to become consciously aware of it. By making the list of all the thoughts we hear throughout the day, we'll use this list, and I didn't share this yet in the group, but we'll use this list to separate out what are my thoughts, my internal thoughts, versus what are thoughts of other people. Other people's thoughts are the easiest to get rid of or to change, or opinions and beliefs, because we don't have to choose to accept them for ourselves. Just because my ex-husband has a lack and scarcity, we can't afford this, I can't afford this, you can't afford this mentality, doesn't mean I have to adopt that. And now that we've been divorced for, a lot of years, I don't have to believe that or accept that as a belief in our household any longer. So I'm excited about this activity. It's one of those action items when we're doing a challenge that we don't want to skip. We want to skip it, but we don't want to skip it, because in a day, we can get so much information about ourselves and our life and our surroundings with respect to money. And we can start to see the patterns and the things that are impacting us in a positive way as well as in a negative way when it comes to our finances. If we are hopping online, if I'm hopping online and I'm looking at the Facebook headlines or the LinkedIn headlines about money, and I'm noticing the ones about the housing market going up and interest rates going up and inflation, those are all coming from fear and scarcity. So I want to write those down. Hey, I'm doing this behavior, things like that, because my thoughts are, that's getting my attention. Why is that getting my attention? Those are things that we're going to explore throughout the month. So those are some things, the pieces of content that I created today. Lots of stuff going on right now. Working on some really fun projects with people that I love working with. So I will let you know as I can let the cat out of the bag on those. But for right now, they're pretty much confidential. If I can help you in any way, please, please, please ask. I do what I call, when I have time and energy. I always have the energy, but when I have the time, and I can almost always fit 5 minutes in somewhere within a day of people letting me know that they have a question or help or are stuck and just don't know what to do. And I guarantee that in 5 minutes or less, we can get you unstuck and knowing what to do right now. What's the next step? What's the thing that you need to do or can do and will do right now? And it's just one of my fun ways of giving back, giving my 2 cents worth of value into the world, because I can and I want to and I like to, and it's fun because I know all the times that I've been stuck in my life, all I needed was somebody that wasn't going to judge me, that I could ask for, or to just listen to me. Because the truth is, we always know what we need to do. We just need to know that we should do it, or we can do it, or that it's the right move for us. We always know what it is, but there's usually something or somebody or people or past experiences that are holding us back from taking that next step. All right, have an awesome day. I will be with you tomorrow.